Babies are expensive. Batteries are expensive. Baby toys that use batteries are very expensive. This is Garage Science, and here's an easy way to hack your kid's toy so you never need to buy batteries again. You're going to need an old phone charger, a USB or audio extension cable, a diode, a hot glue gun, a screwdriver, and a soldering iron. First, remove the electronic portion of your child's toy. Then remove the batteries. Remove the remaining screws from the casing to disassemble it. Here you can see the vibrating motor, the controlling circuit board, and the speaker. There are two wires coming off the battery holder, a black wire for the negative contact and a red wire for the positive contact. I repurposed an audio extension cable because I wanted an audio jack as a plug. This means the wires in the cord are very small with thin insulation around them. I used a pocket knife and scraped the insulation off. A USB extension cable would also be an excellent choice for this project since the wires won't be as small. A diode is used to protect the alkaline batteries from being recharged by the phone charger. A diode allows electric current to only flow in one direction. The white band on the diode indicates the direction electric current is allowed to flow. Here, current can only flow out of the batteries but cannot flow into them. This is very important if you still want the option to have batteries installed while the phone charger is plugged into the wall. Attempting to recharge non-rechargeable batteries can lead to hazardous battery leakage. Cut the red wire off the battery holder and solder it to the diode. Then solder the red wires you just cut as well as one of the wires from your cable to the other side of the diode. Then solder the second wire from your cable to the black wire contact on the battery holder while taking caution to not disconnect the black wire already soldered there. Next, make sure there is some slack in the casing and tie a knot in the wire to keep it from being pulled out of the casing. Drill a hole in the casing to set the wire in and reassemble. Hot glue the wire where it exits the casing to keep it from being pulled out. Now take the other end of your cable and solder it to the power wires of your phone charger. You'll have to cut the end of the phone charger cord and cut enough insulation off to expose the wires. Solder the red and white wires from the charger to the corresponding colored wires that you connected to the red and black wires in the casing. In this case, it is red to red and white to blue. After soldering the wires, put a dab of hot glue around the solder joint as insulation and to keep the two solder joints from touching each other. It is also a good idea to use zip ties to secure the wire while it is folded over itself as shown. This will take the strain off the solder joints when you pull on the cord. Finally, wrap the joint in electric tape as an additional insulator. Now you are ready to test your hack. Plug the charger into the wall and turn on the toy. After successfully testing your modification, put everything back together and let your kid relax in his vibrating chair while it sings cheap 8-bit music to him. And you can rest easy knowing that you don't have to ever worry about paying for new batteries. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have a question or would like to see a do-it-yourself project or hack on something else. Thanks for watching.